If today you hear His voice, harden not your hearts. To the upright I will show the saving power of God. Blessed Monday in the 16th week in Ordinary Time. We praise and thank you, dear God, for the Gospel according to St. Matthew. Glory to you, O Lord. Some of the scribes and Pharisees said to Jesus, "Teacher, we wish to see a sign from you." He said to them in reply, "An evil and unfaithful generation seeks a sign, but no sign will be given it except the sign of Jonah the prophet. Just as Jonah was in the belly of the whale 3 days and 3 nights, so will the Son of Man be in the heart of the earth 3 days and 3 nights. At the judgment, the men of Nineveh will arise in this generation and condemn it, because they repented at the preaching of Jonah. And there is something greater than Jonah here. At the judgment, the queen of the south will arise with this generation and condemn it, because she came from the ends of the earth to hear the wisdom of Solomon. And there is something greater than Solomon here." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, O Lord Jesus Christ. Isang mapagpalang umaga sa ating lahat. We praise and thank you, dear God, for the gift of today. Today is the 20th day of July. So, since I started my retirement, 20th day na din. And I still cannot feel the retirement na sinasabi nila na walang gagawin, na mababagot ka, mag-aantay ka ng time. Kasi parang feeling ko nga lalo yata akong nawalan ng time. Parang kulang ang 24 hours a day. Parang ang hirap i-explain. I am not sad about it. Actually, I am very happy, and naisip ko nga kung meron palang 55 o 56 na retirement, I should have grabbed it. Sayang, no? Sayang kasi when the time na pinag-uusapan yung 55 o 56 na retirement sa government, I was still 50 years old at that time. So, ganun na pala katagal. We were hoping and praying na dumating yun.